8708 Manalang. This is one of our favorite neighborhoods, or at least it has been thus far. We just closed on a property a couple of streets over. So you want to rekey this door, and that door. I'm going to say we add junking to the quote because we have things like these red stars. This fridge looks pretty bad, as is this washer. Maybe the seller will take care of it, but we don't know that for sure. So these are the correct 2.5 inch forward blinds. There's no valance on it. There is a valance on this one. I've been told by the handyman that you cannot purchase the valances separately, so in that case you may have to replace the whole blind. It's the pantry. This is vinyl. We generally like tile, and that is carpet throughout the main area that a lot of people are going to be walking through. Tile at the front. So we may just want to put tile at about $5 a square foot all the way from the front to the back of the house because it's a high traffic area and this will be considered a wet area. We also have this dining room light that hangs pretty near the sliding door and this older style recessed lighting. So we might want to remove that, put in something that doesn't hang, and maybe fill this in or put some other type of more modern light fixture inside the recessed box. We did that recently at another property. These cabinets look a little rough. It might be because they just need a good janitorial. It might be fine after that. As you can see, the appliances don't match. There are dents in the refrigerator. It doesn't look very nice. And the dishwasher is older, as is the stove. So possibly replace them all? I'm not sure. It is nice that we already have concrete and this pergola in the backyard, plus a little bit of privacy, although this neighbor on the left kind of is above us with a balcony. But that's nice to already have that. That's one of the bigger expenses already taken care of. The walls are a lightish tan, very similar, if not the color that we typically use. It's really dark in this hall, so sorry about that. So the paint condition seems to be pretty good. We need a shower rod, and probably all of these pieces should be replaced. If it's just the pieces that we can see and not the cartridge behind it, that's not a huge expense. But it may not be optional if it's leaking or something. So we could possibly ask the seller to take care of any leaks. So replace this blind with the 2.5 inch forward blind. Walls look great. As you can see, there's no ceiling fan or anything. Carpet looks good, and there is a closet rod in the closet. It's just really high. They are locking doorknobs on the bedrooms, which we typically don't like, but these you can just use a quarter to lock or unlock. So they're not true locking. We need a closet rod in here. This is vinyl, so it probably needs to be tile as well since we're already doing tile in other areas. That's such a wide blind, we may need 2 on it, as they have now. So I went ahead and put 2 down on the list, and that wall is looking lighter to me. I'm not quite sure if it's just the lighting. No, I think it's just the lighting. Okay, and vinyl in here as well, which would need to be converted to tile. Okay, so that's it.